Hello there, hope you guys are doing great, had a wonderful weekend. In this video I'm going to talk about how to say yes smartly. You've seen me talking about how to say no without guilty. So stay with me and watch this video till the end. If it's your first time to listen me or watch me, I recommend you to watch my other videos as well. You can find the playlist below. And don't forget to watch my video how to say no without guilty, because these two, this one and that one, is really gonna help you to understand the concept of how to say yes and how to say no. Lots of people, including teachers, trainers, speakers, talk about how to say no. We can find lots of organizations and campaigns working with the title how to say no or learn to say no. When we teach someone how to say no or learn to say no, it means there was something wrong and you correct them. It sounds great, but I think so incomplete. Everything and situation have two sides, positive and negative. If you teach or heard only about how to say no, that was negative side. Last year, one of my lovely brothers and my mentor Sean taught me how to say no without guilty. It was really great session. And in addition to that, we must also know that how to say yes to the opportunities, people, relationships and events. Saying yes to all opportunities and people can depress, disappoint and stress us. I think this is so confusing that whom should we say yes or no, or to which event or opportunity we should say yes or no. The answer is very simple. Customize people in your life. Say yes to those who are productive, fruitful, helpful, beneficial, faithful, honest to you, who can bring change and growth in your life in return of saying yes. By the way, I think so. Don't just rush into relationships. Having lots of opportunities doesn't mean we are ready for each one. Saying yes to those opportunities or say yes to those opportunities you are ready for. Don't rush in saying yes or no. Yeah, take a moment, take your time to decide to whom you have to say yes or no, to which opportunity, event or relationship you have to say yes or no. One man of God and one of my mentors, Dr. 𝐼𝐧𝐬𝐩𝐢𝐵𝐴𝐚, once talked about don't go where you are being tolerated. He's absolutely right. In my vocabulary, say yes to those who celebrate you, not to those who tolerate you. Say yes to those who love your presence, who love to be around you. We must customize people for our inspiration, growth and change. So we must be smart enough to identify people to say yes smartly.